everybody and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing the April Glossybox. This just arrived. I had no idea it was showing up, so big thank you and shout out to Glossybox for surprising me with the April 2021 box. If you guys are new here, before we jump into the video, I always like to give a little disclaimer, which some of you have now told me that you sing along with me, so let's go ahead and jump into it. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because, are you ready? It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, play makeup, unbox makeup, talk about makeup, and remember, it is in fact only makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. Keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so a little information about, and I'm assuming this is the April box. I have not opened it up yet, so before I get into the information, let's just go ahead and open her up and double check. So when we open it up, it says woke up in spring. This is how it's packaged. I always tell you guys I absolutely love the glossy boxes because I ship gifts in them, I re-gift the boxes, put gifts in them, whatever. Anyways, let me just go ahead and talk a little bit about the glossy box because your girl is rambling and that's what I do. So the woke up in spring, it says we are, whoops, I'm still reading. We are all in need of a revival, so reawaken your curiosity and discover the new full-size products from skincare, makeup, and much more. Subscribe today and you can get it as low as $16, which they did give me a link and I believe a coupon code, not sponsored. I will leave it down below for you guys for a way to save some money. But again, this is what it looks like. So think of it like this. It's a gift to yourself or a loved one every single month because this is a monthly subscription. So when you take it off, okay, so anybody else like get totally thrown back to their childhood when they see the ribbons in the glossy box? Like, I literally remember having like the pigtails and then the little ribbons and then the ones that were like yarn. I don't know why, that just threw me back. But every single month when the glossy box rolls up, I always think about like the pigtails. Anywho, you do get a little pamphlet in here and it does have, oh, it does let you know everything in here as well as the retail value and everything, which you guys know I love. So everything is wrapped up in tissue paper, and when we open her up, ooh, look at this. When we open up, this is the first thing I'm noticing. This is a limited edition Beauty on the Go, a Skin Research Laboratories mini laboratories. I am so, I wish they, okay, I'm on a tangent if you are new here. I also ramble, ADHD, I bounce around, so good luck, hope you can keep up. But why? Can someone tell me why on an airplane they named the restroom or the bathroom a laboratory? A laboratory. I don't, because anytime I see any type of brand that says laboratory, guess who screws it up? Like when Lady Gaga came out with House Laboratories, guess who called the entire video laboratories? House Laboratories, yes. Judgment-free zone, thank you. Anywho, in here, what do we have exactly? We've got a new brow, a new reflection, and a new lash. Let's just find out. This little box has a retail value of $74. Wow. Okay, enhance your beauty wherever you go with this tiny yet mighty trio of products, including mini size versions of the best sellers for lashes, brows, and skin. Enjoy these formulas and never slow down, never stop moving, and never stop beautifying. I like that. I like that a lot. Please, it says tip, please see product packaging for application instructions, and you can shop this little box, I guess, at skinresearchlabs.com. Yes, I'm weird. Yes, I'm annoying. Yes, it is Saturday when I'm filming this, and yes, I've got a big old iced coffee right here, so, and I got really amazing sleep, so we love that. Taking the kids, going bowling later, like, oh my goodness, good times, good times. It's a cruddy rainy day too. Okay, so I have to open this up because if you guys don't know, the Ipsy X for February, which was the first one, oh, I took it upstairs. I've been using the Babe Lash on top of using my Mana Condor. It's like a conditioning lash. So I'm all about that because I side sleep really bad, but I face plan. So these lashes are literally going through it. So this is my good side and this is my you slept on your face side, you know? Okay, whatever, doesn't matter. We're 5 minutes deep and I'm only talking about the first part. Okay, this is cute. Look at that. That is nice. So we do have one that is specific for the brows, which is amazing because I have hypothyroid. So I'm pretty much, I just draw in the, like that in portion. I can't form words. Let's try again. I still can't get it. Okay, anywho, draw on the brows. Then I have anxiety, so I go like this and rub the brows, and so I'm missing the front portion. So it's a hot mess if you see me without makeup. So love that. And then we have a new lash, so a little serum that we can put on there. And then this little thing is for your skin. It's perfecting polish, complexion perfecting polish. Love how I read that backwards. Dyslexic life, whatever. Judgment free zone. You guys love, I literally get in my own head about things, and then you can always tell when I'm in my own head because then I start like bouncing and making even less sense. Okay, so the next item in here is the Ncla nail polish, which I'm telling you guys, ever since Samantha March and Ofra Cosmetics did a collaboration doing a lot of purples, I have purples on today. I'll show you the palette that I have on too, because you wouldn't think like, oh, she should put purples on her face. But ever since this release, which by the way, if you are still trying to get it, it is still available. And if you use code HOTMESS, you will save 20% over at Ofra. So definitely highly recommend. But I've been all about the purples. All about the purples. So this is absolutely perfect. It's in the shade We're Off to Never Never Land. This does have a retail value of $16, and it says, what could be more spring than a pretty pastel? This vegan cruelty-free nail polish is free of harmful ingredients and making it safe and healthy for your nails to look beautiful all month long. I definitely like that. I think it's really, really, really pretty, and it matches my outfit, which by the way is on sale at Torrid right now, not sponsored. But I will leave it linked down below for you. By the way, are you following me on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs? Dang, I made this strong. Made this really strong. Like the caffeine is running through the blood. Whew. I don't want to hear about it in the comment section. But if you follow me on my second channel, look how I was able to bring that back. I do a lot of plus size fashion hauls over there because we are embracing our quarantine curves, my friends. We are not letting the scale or the tag define our happiness because girl lived like that for way too long. I am over it. Fluffy's in. I'm living my best life over here. Anyways, the next item that I see in here is... okay, so this is the mascara by, oh my god, how do you say that? Beauty? I'm just going to show you the box. Camera, do your job. Okay, so there is that, and it says it is a nourishing mascara, volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. Let's see here. It's a full size, so we do have a nice another full size product, so that is 2. And again, I believe you can get this box for like 16 bucks with the coupon and everything, so that's amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys, this just makes my heart so happy. Look at this packaging. Do we see it? It is a little Pat McGrathy, and I love the little sequins and sparkles in here. This is by KGC. Where is it in here? Is it on the back? I don't see it. That's interesting. I don't see it in this pamphlet, but it says New York powders, and is this like, I think it's an eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I absolutely love this kind of packaging. Is it in here? I don't see it in this pamphlet, so maybe it's like a little added bonus surprise that you may get. Like, how cute is this?
Mom.
Yes?
I lunchroom we got at Kroger's.
It should be behind some water bottles on the top shelf.
Okay.
Mom life. Okay, so let's open this up. Yeah, I think it's a pigment. Ooh. That's pretty. Hold up. Oh my gosh, I feel like that would be a gorgeous eyeshadow. Hold on, let me just this whole thing. There we go. Or blush if you have really like deeper skin tone. That could be really pretty, and I like that shade a lot. So let's put it back on here because I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. Unfortunately, I have no idea how much this retails for because I don't see it in this little pamphlet. But either way, really cute, full size once again. And again, the packaging, I love that. Okay, let me wipe this off because I will end up getting that all over me. Okay, so the next item in here is Be Calm. Is this one of the patches? Oh my gosh, I have been wanting to try these. I'm gonna slap this on me right now. Maybe I shouldn't because I'm pretty chill right now. Maybe I need to do it when I'm really stressed out. It says time to unwind and decompress. This patch is complete with premium hemp extract and other natural ingredients. I have so been wanting to try these out. I mean, if you guys don't know, I take the, well, it's sitting right here, the Sweet Drop CBD oil. Love that stuff. I feel like it helps my joints. So that is another reason why I was kind of curious about these patches, is because having autoimmune issues, my joints tend to hurt. So I feel like CBD oil has helped me a lot. I do believe they gave me a coupon code that still works. It's just Hot Mess over at Sweet Drop. So I will have it linked down below for you guys. But I'm definitely curious about these. One patch is $12. 4 patches is $16. Huh, that's interesting. I mean, that's like it's obviously a better deal to go with 4 patches. But it does have 15 milligrams of hemp and menthol. Dermatology tested patch will ensure you're calm throughout the day, relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. I'm gonna slap this on when we go bowling because you guys know your girl has major social anxiety, so we will try this. This patch may be worn up to 12 hours. Peel and place inside of the wrist. That's what I'm gonna do. That is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the next item in here is by Cargo Cosmetics. This has a retail value of $20. Swimmable eyeshadow stick. Let's see here. In Morro Bay. I feel like just looking at the picture here, it's gonna look kind of like the caviar stick. Ooh, and it's nice and creamy. Oh my gosh, paired with this pigment would be absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know if my camera and my lights drowned everything out, but that is so pretty. And I feel like with these are really pretty to take a brush and just kind of buff. Hold on, let me find a brush and show you. Kind of like buff it around. Can you do that? Yeah, and kind of soften it up a little bit. See, you just kind of have to work in a circular motion. But I feel like that would be really pretty, especially, like I said, pairing it with this plummy purple. Sorry, kids are making lunch or dinner or something. I'm not for sure what they're doing, but they be doing it. Okay, so the last item in here is a full-size item by Freeman. This is a French pink clay. I am like reading backwards. I'm also dyslexic on top of my ADHD, so good times over here. French pink clay peel off mask pore cleansing. So this is a full size. It does have a retail value of $4.99. Refresh and revitalize your complexion with a pore clearing mask, ideal for most skin types, free of harsh chemicals. Fresh pink clay draws the impurities out. Does it smell? I mean, it smells clean. I've never tried this brand before. Have you guys tried this brand? Let me know down below. Okay, so that is everything in this Glossybox. And again, if you guys can get this for $16, I think you're getting a heck of a deal personally. I mean, we see a lot of full-size products in here. We've got a little bonus product in here. I mean, I think this, I'm not too mad about it. I think this is a pretty doggone good box. So I am very intrigued. So I will make sure to keep this little package, and when I do my empties video, I will let you know if I noticed any type of difference for sure. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below on the Glossybox. Do you feel like this is a good deal for the money? I definitely do. Thank you again to Glossybox for sending this over my way. Nice little Saturday surprise. Definitely enjoyed it. Anyways, friends, if you are interested, check my description box down below to pick up your Glossybox. On my eyes today, I do have the iconic Linden Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette, which was in my premium BoxyCharm box. I just used these plum colors today and created this look, and I just absolutely love it. I did also use my purple Makeup Geek liner. If you guys have not checked out the Makeup Geek liners, you definitely should. I mean, super affordable. They're going to be like $9 and change if you do use my coupon code, which I will have linked down below. I think it's just HOTMESSMOMMAMD, but I use the shade Royal, and Nude is in my waterline, and I just kind of buffed it along my lash line and on my tight line. They're so easy. Like, they're so crazy pigmented. It's insane. Drugstore price, high-end quality. So anyways guys, don't forget, check me out over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some try on plus size fashion hauls. Check me out over on Instagram at hotmessmomma4, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.